Hi, Jay. Today we're talking about what's similar versus what's the same. Why are you dressed like a dog?
Well, last week I asked you how I could become successful and you said I should work as a dog. So here I am.
No, oh my God. I said you should work really hard. I said you should work like a dog.
Not as a dog.
No way. Let me show you. So, if you want to say that something is something else or it's the same, use as. Right now, you're dressed as a dog. But if you want to say that something is similar or is an example, then you use like. So if you work like a dog, then you work in a similar way.
Okay, so let's say I want to talk about my favorite activities. I would say that I like to do things like running, playing fetch, and chasing cats around.
Perfect. Like can also mean for example. And if you wanted to talk about what you do for work,
well, I work as a teacher.
Exactly, because you're not similar to a teacher, you are a teacher, not a dog.
Not a dog.
No.
Okay, so what did we learn today?
Well, we learned how to talk about the same and similar using as and like.
So what should I do now?
Well, as your friend, I think you should change out of that ridiculous costume.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.